We have talked before about weather, which is what the air outside is like. Today, we will talk about tools that you can use to measure it. We have three tools, which are a rain gauge, a thermometer, a weather vane. A rain gauge measures precipitation. Precipitation is water that falls from the sky. Rain and snow are precipitation. So, a rain gauge tells how much rain falls.
Quick video here today on the new rain gauge, and so almost 1.5 inches, and then she's ready to go for the next time. Put her back in the hole.
A thermometer. A thermometer measures temperature. Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold something is.
When the mercury goes up, it's getting hotter. When the mercury goes down, it's getting colder. Thermometers are weather tools, telling us how hot or cool. Thermometers tell temperature.
A weather vane tells the direction of wind. One word. What the air outside is like, weather. Moving air, wind. Water that falls from the sky, precipitation. The measure of how hot or cold something is, temperature. Match each tool to what it measures. A rain gauge measures how much rain falls. A weather vane tells the direction of wind. A thermometer measures temperature. Arrange the following thermometers from the coldest to the hottest. Number 1 is the thermometer that has the shortest straight line. And number 2 will be the thermometer that has a taller red line than number 1. Number 3 will be the one that has the tallest red line. What are the 4 parts of the day in order? They are morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning. The sun is low in the sky and the air is still cool. Afternoon. The sun is high in the sky. Afternoon is the warmest part of the day. Evening. The sun is setting and the air is cooling. Night. At night, we cannot see the sun and the air is cooler. Choose the correct answer. When does the sun appear high in the sky? In the afternoon. When does the sun appear low in the sky? In the morning. Order the 4 parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, night. Put right or wrong. The first part of the day is afternoon. Wrong. Water cycle. Water cycle is the way water moves from Earth's surface into the air and back again. There are 3 stages of the water cycle, which are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. When the sun heats up rivers and oceans, water becomes water vapor and it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation. The water vapor rises up in the sky and it turns into tiny drops of water. The drops come together and form clouds, and this is called condensation. Then the drops fall as precipitation.
Cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, then it turns to water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid now. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain, snow, sleet, and hail upon my head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation.
The water cycle.
Label the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation.